Let's talk about the amino acid cysteine, which is really great for anti-aging, more glutathione, which is the most powerful antioxidant in the body, also great for brain health and lung health and gut health, on and on and on. This is powerful stuff. Check it out.
Dr. Paul Haider, Master Herbalist. Get healthy now.
Hi, Dr. Paul Haider, Master Herbalist here. Well, today I want to talk about wonderful amino acid called cysteine. This is found in food and also found in supplements like this. And you can make a huge difference in your health in a great way. But before I get into that, if you like what I do, please give me a thumbs up. Please tell other people. Please subscribe. Also, watch those little ads at the beginning. They bring some money our way. We appreciate that in a great way. Also, get a copy of my new book, Live a Cancer-Free Life. Live a Cancer-Free Life. If you Google that, it'll come up. And, 3 out of 5 you are coming up with cancer. Not good. I just had a man in Europe who went into remission with his cancer by reading this book and doing what it said. So really big thing. Also I have one man that said, this has become my second Bible. Also another one said, this is a really easy read, short read, and also it will make a difference. So all kinds of great comments. I have a 5-star rating on Amazon on it. I'm sure that you want to prevent your own cancer because you don't want to come down with that disease and go through the process. Let's prevent that in a great way. So get a copy of my book. You can get it as a paperback copy like this, or you can download a Kindle if you're somewhere else in the world and you still want to get a copy of my book. So prevent your cancer for sure. Today I want to talk about cysteine. This is a naturally occurring, wonderful protein that happens in the body. The body actually produces some of it itself, but very little, small amounts, very tiny amounts. And we can also supplement ourselves, and we get it from food also, but not as much as we could use, that's for sure. It also helps with better brain health, boosts up glutathione, which is the most important antioxidant in the body. Glutathione, you can't take it by mouth because it gets destroyed on the way in by stomach acids and that type of thing. Slows the aging process, helps balance blood sugar, detoxing liver and kidneys, and on and on. Also, lots and lots of studies about this wonderful protein. And it really is very, very safe. So this is a great thing to do. And like I said, it's made in the body. So, and I highly recommend it. Some people also call it L-cysteine, and that is available. And most health food stores will have it, Amazon, eBay, other places online. And it's very inexpensive for the most part, so really great. Also found in beans, lentils, and spinach, and bananas, sunflower seeds, oat bran, and other things too in small amounts. And so really, really great. Also, like I said, boosts up your glutathione levels. And you can't take the glutathione by mouth. You need to take it in another form, which helps to get those levels up, so cysteine can help in a great way. Also, he can suppress the HIV-1 virus and also suppresses viruses in general. So cysteine is great in that way. Also a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory if you have some kind of process going on with inflammation. My C-reactive protein is 0.06, hardly anything, and the scales from 0 to 6. So I've seen people with 12 or higher. Not good. That's a lot of inflammation. Also, the glutathione can bring that down too. A 2008 study published in Free Radical Biology and Medicine showed that it really was a great way to actually help boost up the immune system in postmenopausal women and really help to strengthen their immune system in a great way over 2 to 4 months. So, wow, great. Also great for the brain, helps to regulate glutamine levels and replenish glutathione, and help the brain and the memory in general, and help brain ailments in general. A study also showed that it really helped with Alzheimer's, helping with the cognitive decline and preventing that from happening and advancing further. Also, it helped to boost up dopamine and help with Parkinson's. So if you have Parkinson's, you want to take some cysteine, L-cysteine for sure. Also helps with cancer, stops the cancer replication process, which is really great. Also helps with diabetes, helps to stabilize blood sugar in a great way, which is very, very, very important. Also, it helps with the lungs in general, and lots of studies published in the International Journal of Chronic Obstructive Pulmonary Disease show that it helps to get rid of the inflammation of the bronchi and the lungs. Also helps with COPD symptoms and lung decline, preventing lung decline in general. Also, 1 year study of taking 600 milligrams twice a day actually helped people with COPD in a great way. Also helps with bronchitis. If you have chronic bronchitis, you want to be taking this for sure. Also, really great for coughs and wheezing, and helps to get rid of mucus and phlegm, and helps with other lung conditions also, cystic fibrosis, asthma, also pulmonary fibrosis. Also great as an expectorant, and helps to get rid of all that fluid and things that you want to get out of your lungs. Helps with nasal sinus congestion also, and it gets rid of that inflammation. A great anti-inflammatory also. Helps the digestive process also. Really good for colitis, and low stomach acid also helps with that too. Also helps with fertility for men and women. It was published in the Journal of Fertility and Sterility, show that it actually can increase the capacity to have a baby. So really great stuff. Also helps with heart disease, helps with oxidative stress, helps to prevent those plaque buildups there. Also great for nitrous oxide production to open up the heart vessels so you have more athletic capacity. Also helps to prevent kidney and liver damage. And a study in Alternative Medicine Review showed that actually really worked great for getting rid of toxicity if you're taking too many over-the-counter painkillers and maybe you overdosed. And in fact, when you go to the hospital, they give you cysteine in case you overdose. So very interesting. Also helps with psychiatric disorders and mental health conditions. So also helps with lots of things like schizophrenia and obsessive compulsive disorder, all kinds of things like that. So it can help, and also lots of different other processes of mental disease. So if you know somebody in your family, schizophrenia is becoming a huge thing right now. So if you know somebody with schizophrenia, you might want to turn them on to taking some cysteine on a regular basis. Very important. Also helps with bipolar disorder. Like I said, the schizophrenia, obsessive compulsive disorder, and addictive behavior also. And it can help with addiction to different drugs and things like that also. Other things it helps with: hearing loss because you had a lot of loud noise in your life, acute liver disease, hepatitis C, renal function problems, respiratory tract problems, helps with acne, also colon and lung cancer. It inhibits viruses, as I said, helps with meningitis, all kinds of things. Also helps those people who do a lot of strenuous exercise, and also helps to reduce the risk of stroke and increases hair strength. I'm just hoping for hair. Also, the average dose is somewhere around 500 milligrams daily. For respiratory problems, 200 to 600 milligrams daily, twice a day. For COPD, 600 milligrams twice a day. Also, it comes in capsules and tablets and powders, liquids and sprays. Also, your doctor can give it to you IV too, so that's very good. Also, very safe. you can take a huge amount of it. Eventually, it would give you stomach upsets and a headache. But other than that, and maybe diarrhea. But it's really not for those who are taking blood thinners and medications, and not for those who are pregnant, nursing, or small children. You can get it on Amazon, eBay, online, and lots of different places at your local health food store. I've seen it online on Amazon, 100 capsules for about $14 to $29, depending on the brand. So really great. I like the Doublewood brand. They seem to do a good job. Also, if you like what I do, please give me a thumbs up again. Also, if you want to get rid of your chronic condition, maybe you have diabetes, maybe you have heart failure, maybe you have other conditions like MS, all these different things, chronic acne, on and on and on again, or maybe you just want to finally get healthy. Give me a call at 831-869-9119, 831-869-9119, and let's do a consultation and get you on the road to great health. Remember a couple things. Remember God, and remember, I love you.